Hey everyone, welcome to this new video by Simplilearn. This video is dedicated to backlink building techniques in 2024. But before we begin, consider subscribing to Simplilearn and hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from us. So let's first begin by understanding how getting a backlink impacts your website. A website was looking for increased website traffic and sales for an e-commerce jewelry business. To accomplish their goals, they incorporated the following strategies. They identified high DA websites in fashion and handmade goods niche. Engage in collaborations with bloggers, influencers and online publications. Actively participated in social media, showcasing products and engaging with influencers. Listed websites on relevant directories and industry associations. As a result, they saw a significant increase in organic traffic within 6 months. Achieved higher search engine rankings, leading to more visibility, expanded reach to new audiences through collaborations, enhanced brand authority and credibility within the industry. Through strategic backlink efforts, the company successfully grew its website traffic, improved search engine rankings, and expanded its online presence, demonstrating the effectiveness of backlinks in driving organic growth. So this has made you a little more curious to know about backlinks and how to build backlinks to get increase in traffic and boosting business? Before we start by understanding what is backlink, if you are looking to get certified in 2024, then you are at the right place. Introducing Purdue Postgraduate Program in Digital Marketing, which will be your all-over companion. With this program, you will ace in on-page SEO and off-page SEO, keyword research, search engine optimization, behavioral marketing, campaign management, social media marketing, content marketing, and much more. With these technical expertise, you will also gain complete hands-on learning with the tools like Google Keyword Planner, ChatGPT, Google Ads, and Google Analytics, and there are more than 30 tools in the list. Reserve your seats first. Enroll now from the link in the description box and pin comment. So let's start by understanding what is backlink. A backlink, also known as an inbound link or incoming link, is a hyperlink on one website that directs users to another website. In simpler terms, it is a link from one web page to another. Backlinks are important for search engine optimization or SEO because they signal to search engines that other websites consider your content valuable enough to link to. Consider an example here. Let's say you run a blog about healthy recipes and you have written an article about benefits of incorporating avocados into one's diet. A popular food blogger comes across your article and finds it informative and well-researched. They decide to write a blog post about the healthiest superfoods and include a hyperlink to your article about avocados as a reference for their readers. Now, in this scenario, your article about avocados receives a backlink from a popular food blogger's website. When users read the food blogger's post and click the hyperlink, they are directed to your article on healthy avocado recipes. Search engines like Google take a note of this backlink, interpreting as a vote of confidence from the food blogger's website, indicating that your content is valuable and relevant. Over a time, as you accumulate more backlinks from reputable websites, your own website's authority and credibility may increase in the eyes of search engines, potentially leading to higher rankings in search results for the relevant keyword like healthy avocados recipe. In short, backlinks serves as endorsements or referrals from other websites, contributing to your website SEO efforts and overall online visibility. When a website links to your page, it can use either a do-follow or a no-follow link. Do-follow links are advantageous for SEO. When a website employs a do-follow link to direct users to your site, it transfers its authority or link juice to your website. This enhances your website's authority and positively impacts your ranking. On the other hand, no-follow links do not transfer authority or link juice to your website, making them less beneficial for SEO. Despite this, while they may not directly influence your website's ranking, no-follow links can still drive user traffic from one website to another. Now that we have understood the difference between do-follow and no-follow links, let's explore some of the strategies used by optimizers to acquire backlinks. To build a backlink, there are majorly 4 ways. You can either ask, earn, add, or buy a backlink. We will implement ask, earn, and add in backlink building strategies in the upcoming part of the video. However, if you choose to buy a backlink, ensure that they are from the reputable sources and acquired through the transparent and ethical means. Focus on quality over quantity and prioritizing backlinks from the authoritative websites within your industry. Remember, the most sustainable and effective way to build a backlink is through the creation of valuable content and the cultivation of genuine relationship within your industry. While asking for backlinks and occasionally purchasing them can be the part of your strategy, they should complement your efforts to add and earn backlinks through high-quality content and ethical practices. Buying a backlink can be a black hat practice. Let's understand what is white hat and black hat backlinks in detail. White hat backlinks are obtained through ethical and legitimate means following the search engine guidelines. Some white hat techniques include creating high quality content, guest blogging, broken link building, building network with influencers, bloggers and industry experts to earn natural backlinks through genuine relationships and directory submissions as well. Talking about black hat techniques, black hat backlinks are acquired through unethical and manipulative tactics that violate search engine guidelines. Some black hat techniques are buying backlinks, keyword stuffing, private blog network, link spamming, and more. We recommend our learners to never to use black hat techniques as these practices can lead to penalties and loss of search rankings. So let's move ahead and understand link building strategies for 2024. Number 1. Craft valuable content. Develop content that is informative and engaging, enticing others to link back to it. Identify link opportunities. Discover websites or blogs within your niche that could potentially link to your content using the tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush. Engage and connect. Reach out to website owners, bloggers, and influencers through personalized message suggesting collaboration possibilities. Guest posting. Offer to contribute guest posts to relevant websites, embedding a backlink within the content. Create valuable resources. Develop tools or guides that authors in your industry will find beneficial, encouraging them to link back to your site. Leverage social media. Share your content on social platforms to increase visibility and encourage linking. Engage with influencers to expand your network. Submit to directories. List your website on relevant directories to acquire authoritative backlinks. Monitor and manage. Keep track of your backlink profile using tools like Google Search Console. Address any low-quality backlinks promptly. Build connections. Build genuine connections within your industry through forums, conferences, and online communities, opening up natural linking opportunities. Stay consistent. Building backlinks is an ongoing process, maintaining the consistency in content creation, outreach efforts, and backlink management. So here are some backlink building tools that one should look for while considering link building. SEMrush, BuzzSumo, Hunter, and Ahrefs. These tools are available in trial as well as paid versions. So here we wrap up this topic on how to build backlinks in 2024. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Simplilearn to never miss any updates from us. Thanks for watching.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.